Hi guys, how's it going? I am at Town Square Mall. It's on Las Vegas Boulevard, south of the Strip. And I came here for two reasons. I wanted to go to Ulta. I had a $5 off $10, so I used my coupon. And then I went to Whole Foods. And I went there just to get this one thing. These are the probiotics I take. I've been taking these for a while. I've had to take antibiotics a lot, unfortunately. And this is, when I researched, they said that this was really good if you're on antibiotics. So I take that. I'm on Bactrim twice a day again. Thank God our neighbors, her parents go to Mexico all the time, and so they got me some Mexican Bactrim. So I'm good, hopefully, until I can see the urologist and find out what the problem is. Okay, let's go to Ulta. I only got 3 things. And like I said, I used my coupon. I didn't check it. Good. So I got another one of these. I've been wearing it. I really like it. I know they aren't cruelty-free, but this is a mascara that I really, really like. It works beautifully. It doesn't flake. It doesn't smear or smudge. It just works perfectly for me. I've got another Wet n Wild matte face primer. I like this. I'm almost out of the one that I'm currently using. And then I got the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. And I got mine in soft beige. What's nice is they have testers for these. And it's supposed to be 24-hour matte finish. And does it have any sunscreen? I have sunscreen at home, but long list of chemicals. Oh, it does have titanium. It says may contain titanium dioxide and iron oxide. So I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to look it up. But we're getting into fall now, and I'm not in the pool because the pool water is too cold. It's only like 74 degrees, and so I just won't have to need. I won't need as much sun protection. Okay, now. I stopped at Dollar Tree. I watched this woman's video, Southern Gal or something like that, and she made a Halloween wreath that was so flippin' cute. I'll try to remember to link that video below. So I was inspired to try to do one of my own. I'm gonna link her video below because I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not gonna film it. But I got these cute bats. They're clips, and what she did was she removed it from the clip. And hot glued it onto a pipe cleaner. So I'll just have to see how it goes. I got 2 of the black sparkle tulle, 2 of the orange, and I have to find, here we go, and 2 of the purple. Geez, I'm here at the very end and people keep pulling in next to me. Don't they know? I got this and this because I'm not sure which one I want to use. And who knows, I might make another one at some point. If it's fun and if I like the way it turned out. And then I got this. Sorry guys, it's getting all tangled up in here. I have a wreath formed in here, that's why. Okay. I got the witch's feet for the bottom of the wreath, and I got this sign. I'm going to use the middle part to put in the center of the wreath. Got this for little Jacks. Liz said that they used up all the sidewalk chalk, so I got another one. I'll probably send that for Halloween. Leave the little truck for Christmas, and the wreath form. I'm really excited to try doing this wreath. I never knew how people did them before, until I saw her video pop up in my home page. Okay, hang on here, folks. Trying to get a little organized. Man, now I swear that they had Halloween colored chenille stems or pipe cleaners, but I couldn't find them. Maybe it was 99-cent only store that had them. That's possible. But I got these big spiders to go on the wreath. And I found these. I had never seen these before. Wired garland ties. There's 12 in each pack. And we have a nice banister, and we hung garland on it last year. But these would be perfect to keep it in place. So I was excited to see those. So I got the silver. I thought these were the most benign of the stems, tinsel stems, and she said you need how many did she say you needed? 30? So she took these and cut them in half? Is that what it was? I don't know. I have to go watch the video again. And I got some solar stakes. I got that one, this one. Our ground here is much too hard to put these in the ground. It's like concrete. So I put these in flower pots that I have, and they're really cute. I really like them, so I'll have to switch out my summer ones to the Halloween. So I have a couple out back by the pool and a couple out front. And I got these beautiful branches. They had orange and purple, but I thought I'd get the black for my wreath. I probably won't need both. And I found these. These are really cute. Glitter stickers. They're like the, what was it, flamingo ones that I found? Anyway, really cute. They were just in a random place. And then Liz told me that Jax likes to cook. So I found this. And this. And everything has black glitter all over it from those branches. And then this little set. So I'm picking this up for Christmas. And then I got him another Nerf light football. He's 3. He likes balls. She said when I told her about the chalk bomb thing that I had gotten, she said, oh my god, he's gonna love that. So I'm gonna send that for Halloween in his Halloween package. And I told her I wasn't going to send a lot of candy, and I might not send any candy. Except I'm going to send one of those little cauldrons I made last year for the craft fair. And that just has 3 dum-dum stickers in it. So I think I'm going to send him one of those, but that's not a lot of candy. So anyway, that was my little haul. My tiny haul from Whole Foods. And I went to Whole Foods last because these have to be refrigerated. So if you're getting prebiotics or probiotics, make sure that you get the ones that have to be refrigerated, because apparently, I'm certainly no expert, but from what I've heard, the ones that are not refrigerated just don't really have much going on. So take it for what it's worth. Oh, and I'm wearing my Dallas wig, my Paula Young Dallas today. It is so comfortable, you guys. It's so lightweight, and it's just really a comfortable wig. So all right, guys, well, I hope you're doing well. Let's see, what's the temperature today? Hang on, I have to go through the menu. 95, and we are definitely going to be cooling off starting Monday night. Today is Sunday, so starting tomorrow night, and then Tuesday we're supposed to get a lot of rain, like up to 1 inch. So we'll just see if that happens. So all right, guys, and the airport is right over there, McCarran Airport. And I don't know if you could hear any of the planes going overhead, but that's one of the things I love about coming here. I love to watch the planes take off and land. And they are really low over this place because the airport's right over there. So, all right, guys, thanks so much. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I'll just see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.